worst person at the shop to drive this is you.
More faster, more faster, more faster. More faster, more faster. Good. Good. Do it again.
Another URUS in. This is not gonna be the crazy wide bodies you guys have been seeing us do lately. This belongs to Nav. We're fans of his. We like some of his songs, so really cool that we have his car here. This URUS is going to turn purple. We're gonna wrap it a really crazy, unique shade of purple. Pretty much it already has some Vossen wheels on it, so we're not gonna do many other modifications for now. He wants to do a stage 2 later on, but for now we're gonna do a crazy purple wrap on it. We have it apart right now except for the front bumper. We have everything else off that we're gonna wrap, so we're ready for it. And we're gonna start wrapping it up soon.
Oh my goodness. What in the world? Okay, Mercedes S-Class problems. Air shocks. As you guys can see, the car is slammed. Customer just pulled in. We're gonna go inside and see what we can do to fix this car. It's 2 o'clock. We have 4 hours. This customer wants her car. She's got to go very far, and to get an air shock on this car and finish it with all the other stuff that we're doing today, super busy with everything, is going to be nearly impossible. But I think we can make it happen. So we'll make it happen.
All right, so Rolls-Royce Cullinan right here. This car, you guys have seen us do a lot of blackouts, whiteouts, 26s, 24s, all kinds of crazy stuff, wraps. This one, a little different. It's a partial blackout. There's no wrap on this car whatsoever. Customer with this job wanted everything painted. No powder coat, no wrapping. Some of his lights, reflectors, he wanted it smoked using paint. So we went ahead and smoked that stuff. All the big window trims, the moldings, everything else has been painted. Some of it's painted to the body, which is that metallic black color, and then some of it's just a standard gloss black. Some of the moldings, the full front grille has been painted. 37, I think it's 37 pieces, that whole grille, all the slits and everything. All of that was taken off and painted. Most of the time we do wrap because it's reversible, but this customer wanted that perfect paint quality. So there you have it, this thing was all painted. 24-inch wheels on there, no lowering. He wanted it to have like a standard ride. He's gonna check it out, see if he wants to lower it later, but for now it hasn't been lowered, but it is on 24s. This is a brand new car straight from the dealer. Now it's customized a little bit and it looks really, really sweet.
Go, 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 go.
So this is another GTR. This car is in here actually for the same repairs. We're gonna do brakes on this car. It has absolutely no brakes, front and rear, pads and rotors. We'll wrap this one up. It is a busy day as usual. We did hit 300K. We're happy about that, and we're gonna continue to get to the next 600, and then a million, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then keep going.
Excuse me. Oh, it's heavy. Where are we gonna put this? Poor little kid wanted to get this, and we got it for Moses instead. Like it's like a little mermaid swimming. Perfect for Moses. In celebration of 300,000 YouTube subscribers, our two very amazing customer service managers have agreed to get pies in the face. So this is for you guys. 1, 2.
Wait, aren't you getting
Oh, my bad.
I was like, what the? Okay, stand closer. Stand closer.
1, 2, 3.
Can I lick him?
Look at his face. Whew.
That was a lot of cake. I still have a lot of cake and cream in my bag, under my shirt. There's cake everywhere. So I gotta go home and shower really good. I just cleaned up at the bathroom. Okay, so we have a Toyota Camry here. This Camry came in with a check engine light. After the diagnostics, we did find out that this car needs a new catalytic converter. Seen better days. We have a brand new one coming from Toyota. Wrap this car up and get it done before 6 o'clock today.
So we got this Toyota Camry here. We're decatting it. We're gonna make it louder. Customer wants more power, louder sound. So we're gonna decat this thing. We're gonna start it up and see, hear how it sounds.
Catalytic converter has arrived from Toyota for this Camry, so we're going to go ahead and put this brand new one in and reset the check engine light, test drive it, make sure it's good, and this Camry's a wrap. Let's see how this thing looks. Look how nice and shiny and beautiful.
White Wraith behind me leaving right now. Customer just picked it up, one of our good buddies. This is one of the original all white, matte white, two-tone white, whatever you want to call it, Rolls-Royce Wraiths. It has 24-inch Forgiato wheels. Looks amazing, of course. White brake calipers, emblems are black and white, custom painted. Just looks amazing, all put together perfectly. This thing has gone viral on the internet, and she still looks amazing as it is.
That came out so good.
The best at everything I do.
Put it in your head.
We're celebrating two things. As you guys know, 300K YouTube, and also Moses' birthday's tomorrow. So we're celebrating it today. We got him a Mermaid Cake. That's the closest thing that I think matches him. So we got that, and then we even customized the mermaid. As you can see, it's Moses the mermaid.
We're gonna cut the cake with the VIKS custom business card, as you guys can see. Here we go. Where do I start? Oh, this is good. I didn't do the best cutting, but we didn't have a knife, so we made, as you guys, we cut with the business card. I had another knife from one of the rap guys that they lended me. That was also not a good knife. So this is the best I can do.